Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be unboxing my Madela breast pump. Now Madela is quite a good brand because I have rented out one of their pumps in the past. One of the industrial ones they usually use in hospitals, but I couldn't find that exact one to buy online. So I've seen this one we're going to be unboxing together, and I just thought I would just get it because of the brand name. And I just thought it would be a good pump as well. I just looked at the review as well, so I'm hoping this is going to be good. The one I got before that one of the pumps stopped working was actually really good. So I just wanted something where both pumps can actually work. So we're going to be unboxing this together. I'm also going to be reviewing the pumps I've had previously. So if you watch until the end of the video to see the reviews of the pumps I've used in the past, what I think about them, and what I think the best pumps I have used so far is. So let's get right into it. Okay, so that's what the pump looks like. Let's get it open. Quite surprised Amazon delivered it like this. I thought they would have put it in their normal packaging because the first one actually came in their normal packaging. Your statutory rights are unaffected. Okay, so this is the Swing Maxi Flex double expression for that extra bottle in half the time, and it is pretty much the same as. So this is the one that I'm returning because one of the bottles is not good. So let's open this up. Okay, so it's got all of this thing, which was also in the older one as well, even though I can't see where it is right now. It's got this one, so it's got the tubes. The tube actually looks different from the one I currently have. And if I turn it right side, oh, it's got 4. Okay. What size? Oh, so it's got 2 sizes. So the one I had before did not have. Now, so just so you know, this sizes are this is a 24 millimeter and a 21 millimeter. This is too small for me, from what I noticed. So I actually use the 27 millimeters and the 31 millimeter. I know. So I think I'll put this one in the one I'm sending back to them because I do not need it. So I'll just put in the one I'm sending back to them. And let me see. So that's the bottle with the cover. Second bottle with the cover. And then that's the heads. So the issue I noticed with the one I'm sending back is the bottles are fine, but I think it's something to do with one of these heads, which is weird, how the head would stop working, but that's what I figured. And I've got this. It looks like it's been used. Don't know. And I've got this box, which is the charger. And that's what it looks like. So and then the Swing, and then I have got the manual. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give this a wash and like try it out just to see that it works. Hey guys, so a bit of an update. So I have unpacked this and given it a nice wash, and I've also just used it to express. So I used one side while I was breastfeeding on the other side, and then whatever was left I've just expressed, and this is what I've managed to get from just one go. Which is quite good. So this is about let's see, 10 ml from nursing a baby and expressing on the other side, and then I've just expressed on the side where I nursed as well. I think this is quite a good amount for Just One Go. So far so good. This pump is really been good. I'll also show you a few pumps I've used in the past, and they were really not my cup of tea because they really did not do much, unless I've just had so much milk this time. But I've tried a few pumps in the past, which I'm just going to show you what it looks like now. So pump one is this. The name has probably come out, but I think it was called Bella Baby. And it's a double electric pump as well. So that's one of the bottles, and it would usually just connect on the side. The pump was okay, but it wasn't really cutting it for me, to be honest. So you usually just connect like that, and then you turn it on, and then it to do what it needs to do. It would charge on this side. I can't remember what this was for, and that's just what the bottle looked like. I don't think the force or the power was enough for it to get the milk out. It was okay, but it's not really as good as the Madela pump. So that is one of the pumps. And then I tried this one as well. It's also called Bella Baby, but it's just the round version. I think this pump was about £35 when I got it. Same as this one as well. I think this was about £35 when I got it. And I know there are people that use pumps like this and it works quite well for them. This is not me like saying the pumps are not exactly good, but they did not just work for me. So that's them two. And then I also got this pump. People had sung so much praises about like using pumps like this. And honestly, I thought it would be like really good to try out. It's just the one where you would just wear it on and then just carry on doing what you have to do. I can't remember how it sits in again now. But like I said, the pump really did not do much for me. And I also found that it was leaking quite often. So like when you wear it and you try to do things, or you're trying to remove it or something, it was always like dripping. So this did not really work for me. And it wasn't exactly cheap when I got it, but I don't think it had enough force as well to get the milk out. And it's quite big inside, so I don't know if that was the issue. But yeah. How did it turn it off now? How does it go off? Those are the 4 pumps I've tried in the past, and they did not really cut it for me. And then I rented out the Madela industrial pump they use in hospitals, like I said before, and it was really great, which is why I bought this option now. Even though one of them stopped working, which I'm going to return, like you seen earlier in the video, and I've just tried this two now, and both of them work really well. So far so good. This is my winner. It wasn't really a cheap pump, but I think it's doing what it needs to do, and it's quite comfortable to use. The only thing I need to mention is I'm not using the thingy that came with it. I bought this separately in the past when I used to rent the other pump, and this is a 27 millimeter whatever, is this a funnel, is this a nozzle, whatever it's called, and this is a 30 millimeter, only because the boobies are not exactly the same. So one needs a bigger one and one needs a smaller one, but the one that comes with the pump itself, I think I showed that in the video, it's a 24 millimeter and a 21 mm, which I find quite small and uncomfortable. So I've had to like go so many sizes up, and it just works perfectly for me. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you've enjoyed the content of this video, hopefully to help like you making options and choices when you decide to get a breast pump. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please remember to like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell icon so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.